Hello, Slovenia! My name is Jonathan Levine. I'm the director of Long Shot, and someone from your country reached out to me to ask me to record a video greeting to tell you how excited I am that you're seeing this movie, how grateful I am. I've never been to your country, but I look forward to visiting someday, and I really, really appreciate you guys coming to check out this movie and going to the movies in general, and have a wonderful day. Enjoy the film. Thank you for your support, and peace. Oh no, I don't know what that means in your country. Maybe that, peace? Okay. Hopefully that's okay. Bye.
Madam Secretary, you have a situation.
I can hold on to your sunglasses for you if you like.
Oh, no. I have alopecia.